Alright guys and girls, this is a video on how to put a seat cover on your 2005 Ford Expedition or any of the other few years that this particular car was made. I should have did a video of the condition of the seat on the driver's, but I didn't. But this is a new seat cushion that I put in here, well, seat cover I should say, and I loved it so much I said, damn, I gotta to do this one because this one just doesn't match that one. So what I did was I paid someone to see how they did it. So now I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is take off this adjuster, and what you need to do is, if you have one of those upholstery tools that looks like a fork, great. Get behind this. There's a let me see if I can do it with one hand. Just get behind. You see that white? Get behind the adjuster. You can get a flathead screwdriver or something like this and get behind there and pop it out. I can't do it holding the phone at the same time. Just so you see what I was talking about, just get behind this and then go this way with it, pulling it at the same time. Okay, next thing we gotta take off is this handle. And if you go up with it, there is a, see that clip? It's a long piece inside there. You're gonna have to just get a screwdriver, put it in the corner right there, and just pop that out. This is what the piece looks like. So it's just barely hanging in there with that clip. So to put it back in, we're gonna put it in and then push it up where it clips here at the top. All right, so the next thing is you have a 7mm bolt right there that has to come off. After you take the bolt off, it just comes right off. So actually that one hole right there goes into that one hole right there. All right, the next easy part is we're going to take that whole bezel off. Now you have one more 8mm bolt hiding here on the corner. And then you have a clip that you just pull out here, and another one that pulls out here, and the same for the back. Just go behind the back like this and pull it this way. When you take it out, just go forward with it and then up. And that's the bezel. And let's just show you the clips that it has. There's the one that I told you about at the corner, the 8mm bolt. There's this one, which is goes inside this hole and it clips around that. And this one is just a push, and that's a clip on the back that I told you had to go that way with it. Now the seat gets fastened with these clips here in the front, the side, and in the back. So what we're going to start doing is unclipping these clips by going down and out. Okay, same thing in the front here. You have one big clip here. So let's start doing that. So I just did this one. Let me show you how I'm doing it. I'm getting a screwdriver. I'm coming up from the bottom here. I'm just twisting the screwdriver and it comes off like that. This one in the front, just grab it with your hand and pull it out. All right, for the one in the back, you got this one little Velcro right here. And then you got this clip here that you're gonna take off with the screwdriver, same way, take it off. I found it a little easier just to grab my pliers to pull off that one white plastic clip that you see here. And then once you take that off, you got another Velcro pull out. Okay, so we unsecured the back. Now I'm just going to start pulling this off. I mean, you don't really care if you tear it, but if you don't want to tear it, you go up with the handle and pull it out like that. All right, so it's going to come out. I just got to go on the side over here and get one more clip right there. Maybe there's another one there. So on the other side, I just pulled it up like this and took it off. So here we are with the cushion and the seat cover. Okay, so now we're just going to basically transfer this seat cover to there. So we're just going to take this seat cover off. Be gentle in pulling this out because we want to save the Velcro that's on the actual cushion. Okay? So I can't do that with two hands, but you understand what I'm saying. Just make sure you don't pull the foam part. Hold your hand down and pull the cover off of the Velcro that is obviously glued to the foam. So there's the Velcro I was telling you about. They obviously glued this on there, and you want to, like I said, hold your finger down on the Velcro while you're pulling off the seat cover, because you want to make sure that the other new seat cover goes down in there, stays in there. Now, this is broke over here. I don't know what happened. It might be a good idea to glue it right now while you have it out. If you have a piece missing, maybe you can find something to fill in the cushion. One to do the driver's side, and I said, after I paid him, I said, hell, I could have did that myself. Well, I conquered my fear and thinking that, hey, I can do this myself. But I noticed that when he put it on, he put on the seat cover, and then at the last minute, he cut out those two holes, and he made pretty big mistakes in cutting the holes and judging where the holes go. But luckily, the bezel on the side covered it up. So I figured, why not do the holes now by measuring them over the seat cover. So do that while you're at it, as if you bought the same type that I bought, and I'll give you a link. I'll give you some information where I got this. It's $124, and it's real leather. I hope that's what they say. All right. Okay, first things first, I sat the cushion in there. You can see basically how it goes around the corner over here. Just make sure it's secure, and then we're going to put the cover on top of it. Okay, I got a little carried away. I put the first strap was the one in the front. That's the hardest one, so you're going to have as much slack as possible to put it on. And then you put on the back, and then you put on the sides. The two clips on the right side, and on the other side there are no clips because they have that band with the Velcro that you wrap it in the back. So now I'm just going to put the handles back, and I'll show you the end product. When you put this one handle back, that one's easy, it's just the screw and the cover. When you put this one back, there are 3 notches. You see the 3 notches there and there. On this thing you have 3 notches. Make sure you line them up. All right, so there you have it. Took me approximately 45 minutes to do the job. Not long at all. So if you want your Eddie Bauer Ford Expedition looking new again, I would say that starting off with these seat covers is a good deal for $124. They even have it cheaper for the vinyl, but they guarantee the color match on the leather. So there you go. Looks like a virgin seat. All right, you got any questions, concerns, comments? Don't hesitate to throw them at my way. This is the Conquer Your Fear channel. I keep doing these videos with the hopes that you will subscribe and throw a like on my video. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And if it helped you out, I'm happy. Take care.